Hey guys, here we are at the Dollar Tree. I'm in a different location, guys, so let's take a look at what they have. Okay, so look at this. They have the sunflower steaks, and look, they brought back these steaks. We had them last year, Harvest Blessings with the red truck, and look, now they have them with the bike. So I gotta grab one of those. Let me see what else is back here. Okay, so I'm loving the bicycle. Then they have these steaks. This one says Home Sweet Home, and this one says Friends Gather Here. Then if we come over here, look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Give thanks. I like the shape of that sign too. Okay, so they have the give thanks sign with the sunflowers, and then they have the scarecrow. I don't normally like scarecrows, but isn't he cute? This one says Welcome Fall, and then this one here says Happy Harvest in burgundy, and he's all the way up there too. Then they have those signs. Give thanks, autumn, leaves falling, happy fall. Those are so beautiful. So then if we come here, you have Friends Gather Here. This is a pretty sign. And then pumpkin spice and everything. Nice. That's really pretty. And then thankful, grateful, and blessed. And then Friends Gather Here. So then you have the pumpkins that say thankful and blessed, and then this Harvest Blessings. Isn't that pretty? That is so pretty. And then you have your little football signs, and there's the red truck, guys. And then you have these pumpkins. Okay. That one says autumn, that one says Happy Thanksgiving with the cornucopia. This one over here has the sunflower. Isn't that beautiful? Then they have the window clings, guys. So they have this kind. Then they have that kind. Look at that one with the little mason jar. It says give thanks with the leaves. Sweet fall, happy harvest. I love that. Here's some more window clings with the red truck, guys. And look, they have these rugs. Like the black ones. They're as thin as the black ones. So this one says happy fall. Let me see what else we got. Okay, that one says gather here. And I think at the very bottom they have a different one. Yes. Hey there, pumpkin. I like that. So then they have your little owl and the leaf. Two kinds of leaves. So top one's more orange and the bottom one's burgundy. Then they have the pumpkin, the regular pumpkin one here. So look at these banners, guys. This one says give thanks with the burgundy background. And then this one, the green background, is with the football. Gather here, and then grateful and blessed with the turkey, and then some more window clings, guys, over here. This cornucopia, and what else is there? The owl, happy fall. Isn't that nice? Then you have your velvet pumpkins. Isn't this like the beautiful? This is such a beautiful green. It's an emerald green and this blue. They're such rich colors. And you have your regular orange, and I think I see a beige. And I also think I see, here's the white. Let me see if I can grab a white one, guys. So white is definitely something I gravitate to. So that's really pretty. Then over here you have the gourds. Okay, even the corn, guys. These are so nice. So let me just scan those for you. Okay, and they have plenty of those. And these have even like little arrangements inside of them. See how pretty that is? That's so pretty. This one has a sunflower. It's so cute. Okay. So then you have some deco mesh here. And I like these. I like crafting with these. This is called ribbon. It just says ribbon. So they have that leaf and the maple leaf, and then they have this kind. And this kind. I like these. Then they have the craft, the little craft jars, craft bottles. Then over here, guys, you have the garland. Okay, then you have the decorative picks, the pumpkins. So these are the bigger ones, and these guys are the smaller picks. So the smaller bag, you get 10, and then the bigger pumpkins, you get 4. Then you have these clips. These are the ones that clip. They come 3 in a pack. And these are the cream color ones, because they're not white, they're cream. Then you have these, the 4-pack. And here's the 4-pack of the cream ones. Then this is the ribbons, guys. The green, the chevron, the orange. I like these. So then you have these boxes, guys. I'm really liking that turkey shape. And then these are the acorns, and then you have that owl, and there is the pumpkin. So on the bottom, oh, you do have these kind of pumpkins, guys. I don't want to bypass them. So aren't these pretty? So you have this color, orange. It's like a deep burnt orange, and then you have the regular orange and the burlap ones. So, and then over here you have the ones that are made with the tube confetti, and then the velvet orange. I think that's it for there. And then here, guys, is the Decor mesh. So I'll just scan that for you. Okay. And then here you have the lights. Those are the pumpkins. And then these are the leaves. Aren't they pretty? Okay, and then these are the bows. Look how beautiful those bows are, guys. Then you have these wood cutouts that you can color in. These are great for the kids. This one is the truck that says Happy Harvest. Here's the turkey. And here's the cornucopia. There's the scarecrow, the turkey. These are really neat. So then you have the little wood ornaments. I love these things, guys. So I think I'm going to grab a turkey one this time. And then you have the pumpkins. And then you have the owls. And then the gather sign. So far this is the only sign I see. And then you have this welcome sign and you have some paint. Some more deco mesh along the bottom, guys. Then we get into the Halloween stuff. So I'm just going to scan that area there for you. Okay, you have that pumpkin over there. You have trick or treat. This store has trick or treat, and this store even has wicked. And the other stores, they didn't have this wicked sign. It's only one of them. This one says trick or treat, Halloween. And so I said the pumpkin, the cat. This is the witch that fell in the cauldron. And then here's another pumpkin. Okay, so you have more of the like Halloween mesh and the lanterns. And here, look at all these spiders, guys. You got these spiders in every color. Okay, and then you have, look, the purple bats, the black bats. And in here you have the little felt owls. This is a mixture of the owl, the bats. I think that's, I don't know if that's a ghost in the back. And here you have some more mixture. Here's the witch's hat. Then you have some spiders here in the orange, the purple, and the green. Then you have these pumpkins right here. Aren't they pretty? I wouldn't use those just for Halloween. So, and then this over here, I guess, is the leftover florals. Okay, these are vase fillers. So this is fall stuff. This is Christmas, guys. I don't know. And you have some more. This is the leftover floral section, guys. So this is pretty much it as far as the fall stuff. So it's kind of mixed in here with the summer stuff. So guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree to look at their fall stuff and some of their Halloween stuff. And I'll see you in the next video, guys.